Alright, rolling. Here's your LS. Give you a description of this combination. Got your custom valve covers on it. Got the custom paint. Got a custom hydraulic roller. Got the Holley manifold. Holley front end. Beautiful motor. Love the color. Love the theme. They came out nice. Go in there and make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Okie-doke, 3,700, 465 foot-pounds torque, score 525. Oh, flat, real flat through that. Pretty nice. That's the intake manifold. Horsepower 572, rated 570. It's got a front end on it. That's 15 or 20. So it runs really good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good clean. Show you a couple of things here. See if you're in, find the single clear credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. The freight will be this in the spec sheet. Highly recommend reading all this. Have a great day.